Okay. Hello for everyone. I hope that that you feel good today. Today I'm going to show you a small trick. It's how can you build a React project in your as project in your computer. So first of all, uh, we have more than way, but we have to begin with the first way. First of all, we have to create a project like this as folder on the desktop or anyway any repository that you choose. For me, I'm going to build it in my desktop. So after you create the project, you open it as VS Code. Okay. When you do that, I'm going to go to my VS Code. It's already opened. So, and I have my project here, the same name of my folder. So to do that, we have we have to go to the terminal, okay, and you create your React project in the terminal. Let's be sure that other name we have here project, and when we go to our terminal, we get the product. Okay, we go to the terminal and choosing your terminal. We have the terminal here. We have just to clean all of this. Okay, okay, new terminal. And we have to write this code npm and create. Okay, you choose Vite latest. Okay, and just you write the name of your React that you want to create it. Okay, so I create npm create Vite latest frontend and click OK. The building of the React is already opened. So I have to choose any one of this for me. And if I want to create a React project, I choose React. Then I choose the language, JavaScript, and he asks me some questions, and I say yes, yes, and the installation of upon this with npm is already done. Okay, let's divide the screen into policy. As you see here, the name of front end in my project, it's already done. When I click here, I look all the creation, it's okay, and it's done. The same here, when we click, we look, we can look that the folders are created, okay? That's the way to do it with this way, okay? We just waiting for seconds and the creation will build. Yes, that's it. And that's my local host. When I open, I get my React created. Okay. So now, if the building of if we choose to build or to add a backend to our project, we just go to the project here and choose folder and I create another folder here. Okay, I create another folder here. For example, let's name it backend. Okay, and I click OK. Now I have backend and frontend. If I want to create any file on backend, for example, Python file, I just create it like this, main.py, and that's it. So I have my backend. I also have my frontend. That's the first way. Let's go to the project, the folder project which exists, and we have the backend. When we click, we find my main.py, and when we go to the front end, I find all my files. Okay, that's the way. I'm going to React or to, okay. Okay, now folder my no, the folder name of the project is it's already now it's empty. So the second way to create a React project. So I'm going to choose CMD and create it from the CMD. So first of all, we have to be sure about our repository. Where is it exists? So I'm going to say desktop. Okay. Now I'm sure it does. I'm sure it does desktop. So I'm going to also choose product. Okay. Now I'm going to create it. To do that, npm create as Vite latest and create front end like this. What he say? What he say? npm command run have npm. Okay. Yes. The npm create. I do mistakes here when when I write create. I added the last t. It's correct. It's incorrect. Latest, and I choose front and yes. The creation it's built now. I have just to choose the React and also to choose JavaScript, and I say yes. Okay. And as you see here, the creation is already begun. So I have my creation. That's my local host. When I go now to my project, I find my front end. So to add it, okay. Mhm. Yes. Okay, now when I want to add a backend in my project, so what how can I do that? To do that, we have to choose make directory and we give the name of the project backend. Okay. Okay, as you see here, we have backend and front end. That's the way. That's my short video today. It's how to create a React project in two ways, using CMD or using opening the folder in VS Code and create it. That's my video today. Thank you so much and goodbye. Thank you.